Hey, my name's Mallory, and the app that I chose is Class Dojo. I pulled it up right here on the computer, but if you have a smartphone, you can go to the App Store and download the app. This is what it looks like. It's called Class Dojo. Whether you're a teacher, a parent, a student, or a school leader, anybody can have this app. It's really nice, especially if you're a parent, to keep up with what your student is doing and how they're doing in class. And also, this is very good for teacher-parent communication. I have used this a lot with my stepson in school, and it's very handy. However, there are like technical glitches with this app, so I think there needs to be some improvement made there. I don't really know how, but anyway, really, it looks different on your phone, but it does look a little bit similar too. So really, if you're a teacher, you would click this right here and you would sign in and create your account. So once you signed up, this would look different, and it would be able to show you what school you teach at. It would show you all your students, what classes, that kind of thing. If you're a parent and you download this, you would put your first and last name here, your email, and make a password. You'd sign up as a parent, and that way your teacher could contact you online or through the app to let you know what your student was doing, or if they missed a test or whatever. If you're a student, and I did not use this when I was in school, so this is new, so I'm not 100% sure on what all students do on this app, but it looks like they could scan their QR code in their class, or they could enter their classroom text code, or sign up with their Google account, and I'm sure they could go into all their different classes, their teachers, check their grades, that kind of thing. So there's a lot of different things that you can do on this app, and I have a lot of friends who are teachers who use this app, and they have told me how beneficial this app is. So this would be something that I would like to use for my classroom. Thank you.